Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to open GitHub Copilot chat in Visual Studio Code. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, in previous videos, I showed you how you can enable it, install it. So I assume that you already did that. So yeah, let's open GitHub Copilot chat. How you will do that? First, you can check at the bottom right corner this robot icon that you have enabled everything. So now I think it looks like it's enabled. So what we are do now to open the chat, we will go here to the top right corner where you see this toggle secondary sidebar. So click on that. You will see chat. All right. What you can do now, at the bottom, you will see basically this window to describe what to build. Now, first thing, what you need to do is you can check here uh, some configurations. So we can select Claude Haiku. So other models, you have GPT-5 Mini. Then we have main code 1 Flash, and then we have also this one right here. So this is the modes that you can select. Okay, so the next thing is also pretty cool. What you can do with GitHub Copilot is that you go here in this chat to this plus icon, click on it, and then get over here to the new Copilot CLI session. So click on that, okay? And you will see now basically GitHub Copilot is open up. Okay, would you like? Now it will suggest you that if we want a terminal for multi-line input support. So would you like to add this key binding to your terminal configuration? Let's say yes. And yeah, we basically can do here in this GitHub Copilot, we can now here type in some questions. So for example, let's do this one, how to open GitHub Copilot chat in Visual Studio Code. And just like that, it will start to explaining how basically to open up this chat. So right here, as you can see, do we want to allow this access? Let's say yes, and so on. So you can ask from here uh, this GitHub chat right here. So I hope that this video helped you out a little bit how you can open GitHub Copilot chat and use it. So it's pretty fun to use this. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next